What would be the output? Hash include stdio.h, int main, int I is equal to 1, switch I minus 2, case minus 1, printf, case 0, another printf, case 1, third printf, default, another printf, bracket close and return 0. If you want, you can pause the video and guess the output. The output of this code is this. All the four state printf print statements are getting printed. Let's see why. Let's start from the beginning. Int I is equal to 1. Then we have the next statement as switch I minus 2. First, this expression gets evaluated. So I is 1 minus 2. The result is minus 1. So this becomes switch minus 1. Since this is a switch minus 1, the next statement that executes or the execution control comes over here, case minus 1, and printf feeding fish. That's how the first statement gets printed here. Now what we need to observe here is there is no break after the printf. So what switch statement says is, the flow control in switch says is, unless a break is identified or the end of the switch block. So the execution keeps going on. So the next statement that gets executed is case 0 and printf weeding grass. So this gets printed here, followed by case 1, printf mending roof. This gets printed here, followed by default, printf just to survive. So this gets printed here. Since there is no break anywhere, all the statements within this switch block gets executed. That's why we see all the four statements printed here in the output. And once this switch block is executed, return 0 and the program ends over here.